An incompressible fluid is flowing through a contraction in a pipe shown here. Now at point 1 within the contraction section, we are curious about the velocity of the fluid in certain directions, specifically the radial velocity Vr and the axial velocity change with axial position dvz dz. We may use this information to help solve the Navier-Stokes equations and describe fluid flow behavior within this section, although that may be very difficult for this flow field. But regardless, below the diagram we have the mass continuity equation given in cylindrical coordinates. Now, based on your insight and/or mathematical analysis, which of the following answers on the bottom right, A through E, best describes what is occurring at point 1? Now, click on the appropriate answer to see the response.